right, Idalise, let's get ready to work. We have a worksheet to do today. Okay, but before we work, let's make sure we're ready. Okay, to show that we're ready today, we are in our workspace. Perfect. Great job. Okay, and you're sitting in your chair?
Mm-hmm.
Great. Can you see the computer screen or the device that we're working on? Looks like you can. Are you logged into the correct activity or worksheet? Yes, you are. Do you have your materials ready? Looks like you do. Perfect job. Your token chart is near you. And your support person is ready. I'm ready. Are you ready? Good job, Idalise. Great job. Okay, these are some of the materials you might need today. Looks like you'll need your worksheet and you have the correct one out. Perfect. And it looks like you'll need some kind of writing tool. Today you decided markers, so sometimes you can use a pencil or a crayon. Great job. Before we get started, let's go over a few of our classroom rules. Our first classroom rule is to have a nice quiet mouth. It shows us that you're ready and to learn. Listening ears so that you can hear your teacher. Good looking eyes so you can focus on your work. And your nice hands. Perfect. Looks like you're ready, Idalise. Okay, Idalise, here's your token chart. Let's find out what you want to work for. Some of your options today are coloring, Play-Doh, a few minutes on your device, on a game. What would you like to do today?
I want coloring.
Coloring, that's a good choice. Okay, let's get those 5 tokens so you can earn coloring. Okay, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to put your name on your paper right at the top. Great, look, you earned a token for listening and putting your name on your paper. Okay, can you count the first square for me? How many?
1.
Go ahead and put a dot on number 1. Excellent. Okay, how many are in the next picture?
1, 2.
Brilliant. Okay, put a dot on that. Great job. What are these?
Glue.
Ooh, glue. How many glue?
1, 2, 3.
Great job. Put a dot on the glue. Okay, these look like paintbrushes. Can you count how many paintbrushes?
1, 2, 3.
Perfect. You are super earning. You're sitting in your chair. You're ready to work. Great job. That looks like a notebook. How many?
1.
Perfect. Circle or put a dot on number 1. Great job. And those look like they're staplers. How many?
1, 2.
Perfect. Okay, can you put a circle on number 2? Great job. This looks like tape. How many?
1, 2.
Good job. Can you find number 2? Perfect. Okay, what is this?
Scissors.
Scissors. Yes, it is. Great job. How many scissors?
1, 2, 3.
Perfect. Can you put a circle on number 3? Perfect. Okay, and there's your ruler. How many?
1.
Perfect. Look at you are all done. You did great work. You were sitting. You were focused. You filled out your 5 tokens. Great job. You earned coloring for 2 minutes. And then we'll get back to work in a few. There we go. Great job, Idalise.